Jai Hind students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Now, today we are going to start the first chapter of history: what, where, how and when. As you all know that this year in class 6th we will talk about the ancient history. So that is the reason we will start the chapters from the beginning. So first of all, we will understand history about what, then where, then how and when. In the first module, we will talk about what and where. For example, whenever we ask any question like what about what is your name, right? What do you eat? What kind of clothes do you wear? What about your house? Which type of house do you generally you have or do you live in? So there are several questions which are related to what. And there are several things we can find out about the past, that is what people ate, the kinds of clothes they wore, the houses in which they lived, and we can find out about the lives of hunters, then herders, then farmers, rulers, merchants, priests, craft persons, artisans, musicians and scientists. Means in this way we can get an hierarchy, we can understand that how the from the early men, how the people developed from hunter, then herder, then farmer, and then the musician, rulers, scientists till the level of development. Now we can also find out about the games, what type of games children used to play at that period of time, what kind of stories they used to hear, the plays which they saw, the songs, what were the songs they sang at that period of time. So there are several questions which are related to what. Now we will talk about where. As if we talk about 1000 years ago, more than that, people lived along the bank of Narmada river for several 100,000 years. As you know that the soil near the river or on the bank of the river is always fertile. So we can definitely the most important thing, the first reason behind settling down near the river, that is very easily we can get water. The people used to get ample of water, they could fulfill their basic needs. Secondly, they could grow crops in a proper way as the soil is quite fertile. So there were several reasons that they settled down. Some of the earliest people who lived here were the skilled gatherers, means they had the idea, they had the knowledge that what kind of fruits and the food items they could gather, which plants are edible, which are not, which like in the forest it is very important, it is very much important to know that yes, which plant is edible. Edible means which the plant products which we can eat, because there are several poisonous plants as well. They hunted animals also. And now we will talk about the people who started growing and who had grown the crops for the first time. For example, if we talk about, now we will talk about several areas as we are talking about where. So first we will talk about Suleiman and Kirthar hills. Here the men and women first began to grow crops. Secondly, it is about 8,000 years ago. They grow the first crop, first time they grow crops such as wheat, barley. As you know that wheat and barley were produced for the first time. People also began rearing animals like sheep, goat and cattle and lived in the villages. There were other areas like Garo hills to the northeast and Vindhyas in the central India. These were some of the other areas like Vindhyas where the agriculture developed. The places where the rice was first grown are to the north of the Vindhyas. So in this module, this much only we will talk about. Please stay tuned for the further information regarding and further history and geography. As you know that history is studied geographically and geography is studied historically. So till then, Jai Hind, goodbye.